So I've already started. My first mod on the Himalayan 450 is this side stand. So I'll show you something. It's one of the pet peeves of people who own the Himalayan 450, and a lot of people complain about. Look at how long that side stand is and sticks out. And this is the upgrade one. See that? It's not as out more. So when you put this bike on a side stand, it leans so far over, and there's videos all over it. So pretty simple job really. Undo these 3 Allen key bolts. This comes off. A circlip on the back of this pin here, and then we'll fit the new thing. Done. Oh, this back Allen key, you need a 27mm to hold this. 27? It's a bit loose. It's like a 26. You're lying, buddy. You told me 27. Just on the back side of that clevis pin, there's a circlip. I've already taken it off. So now I can pull the pin out. I'm trying to show the angle difference between the two side stands. So the original one's on the left. You see I've roughly got the top parts even there. As it comes down, it kicks right to the left and then the bike leans right over. And this new improvised version, see it's a different actuator and it's a lot straighter. So let's get this little plate off here, screw it into there, and job done. So the new plate's installed. I put the clevis pin back in there just to line it up because that's got to go through there. And then it's just this rubber bump stop, it just pulls out. So install it, reverse as it came out. Nice easy job. All right, that side stand replacement is done, and I cannot even begin to explain how much better that sits now. If you're watching this video, you've probably got a himi and you know how bad these things lean over. And it was funny enough because when I first saw these, it was one of my gripes how much it leant over. And not only when you ride it and you pull up, but just parking space. It takes a lot of real estate when it's leaning so far over. So that is definitely worth something doing. Happy with that. I'll keep doing some mods on this and keep it update. And I've just threw a few quad locks on here. One for the camera, one for the phone, to see how I go tomorrow if the weather clears up, and happy days.